Curious about starting a garden and growing your own vegetables? Well, it's time to roll up the sleeves and dive into the world of gardening. Nautical Outdoors will take you through the journey that starts from a tiny seed to a bountiful harvest that is sure to be an adventure full of patience and learning. The first step is to choose the right seeds for the type of veggies you're wanting to grow. The world of seeds is vast, from juicy tomatoes to crunchy cucumbers, leafy spinach to juicy peppers, and wholesome peas. Consider factors such as climate, space, and personal preference when making a choice. Once the seeds are chosen, it's time to prepare for planting. The secret to successful seed sowing lies in the soil. A rich, well-draining soil is essential. If the soil is too compact, it can be loosened by adding organic matter like compost, or just sticking to some basic soil with a little added plant food. Now comes the exciting part, sowing the seeds. We start ours in small foam cups cut in half, and sow them a 1/4 inch into the soil depending on which seeds you use, but most seeds need about twice as deep as the size of the seed. Place the seed in the hole, then cover it lightly with soil. Remember, seeds need room to breathe too. Watering is a crucial step. It's important to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to diseases and hinder seed germination. But the work doesn't stop at sowing. As the days pass, it's vital to keep an eye on the garden. The first few weeks are crucial as the seeds germinate and sprout. Once the seedlings have sprouted, it's time to thin them out. This might seem counterintuitive, but it's necessary for healthy growth. Each plant needs sufficient space to grow and access sunlight. And finally, patience is key. Gardening is not about instant gratification. It's about nurturing and waiting, watching as the tiny seeds transform into flourishing plants. In recap, the journey of starting a vegetable garden begins with choosing the right seeds. Preparing the soil comes next, followed by the sowing of seeds. Consistent watering and vigilant monitoring are crucial in the subsequent days. Thinning out the seedlings ensures each plant gets ample space. And of course, patience is an essential virtue in this process. Remember, the garden is a mirror of the gardener. It reflects the care, patience, and love invested in it. The journey might seem long and winding, but the reward of fresh, homegrown vegetables makes it all worth it. So, go ahead, embark on this gardening adventure. It's time to sow the seeds of a greener future.